If you're traveling internationally, you're going to need an international power adapter. These are these little adapters that you take to like Europe, Asia, Australia. And by doing the little slides on the side, you can see I've got a UK adapter. I've got the traditional North American adapter for visitors I have coming to my home in Canada. Works obviously in the US as well. Even Europe too, Australia. This works in over 150 countries. It's the World Traveler XL from Logiix. This is a great Canadian, based out of Vancouver, British Columbia accessory company. They've got a couple different models. I've got the 65 XL. They also have a 45 XL. What I like about that, 45 and 65 refers to how many watts you can charge. Not only will it do things like smartphones and tablets, you can also plug in other types of devices as well. But with that high wattage, it can charge even a laptop. So yes, you can plug your laptop with your charger adapter right into this, but also you would be able to charge it with the little retractable USB-C cord as well. It's got enough power to do that. You don't have to bring your extra charging block, which is kind of nice. When you're traveling and you're trying to keep light, it's good to minimize all the cables and blocky chargers. Again, on the bottom here, 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C. These are fast charging as well. And I love that this really reduces the amount of clutter in my little tech bag. As far as safety, it's great. It's got a built-in fuse in case things go wrong. Maybe you've got too much power going into it. If you do, it comes with an extra one built in here. You can just basically slide it out from the back here and replace the blown fuse. Again, from Logiix, it's part of their World Traveler series. They've got the XL45 and the 65. This, for me, is a must-have for any traveler that's bringing digital devices internationally.